more investment in Mother Nature, more investment for the agro projects will be the future for sustainable planet Earth. Katia Selen Trancare, Brazil, the female Kakekeu of Araceli village. She was leading a community that produces the sustainably while protecting the Amazon rainforest. The leader for the sustainable planet Earth. We don't need to destroy our forest, our Mother Nature in order to produce business. We can still save our Mother Nature and grow business. That is the sustainable business for tomorrow, for planet Earth. Gabriela Lucas Deco, Mexico, agricultural engineer. She knew she wanted to devote her life to training family farmers on how to produce abundant, healthy, and nutritious food for their families and communities. And as a result, she founded the Center for Innovation on Small-Scale Sustainable Agriculture, and an organization aimed at strengthening the self-management capabilities and resilience of small-scale farmers. The Sustainable Agricultural Future Projects for Planet Earth. That's why we need to focus. Sustainable leadership and sustainable business projects and plans to support Mother Nature, to support the agro projects, and to save Mother Earth. That should be our mission and vision for this planet Earth. This is the International Fourth Conference for Financing for Development in Sevilla, Spain, 2025. The women who reclaimed an ancestral crop that is strategic to food security. Trigidia Jimenez, Bolivia, Bolivian agriculture engineer. Trigidia combines scientific and ancestral knowledge to improve the crop in Bolivia. The common belief in rural Bolivia is that a woman cannot head a company or business, but I have shown that women can be happy and accomplished. A woman can be happy and accomplished. And also she can use the ancestral knowledge, the knowledge of Mother Earth, to be successful in her business ventures. International Conference for Financing for Development, Sevilla, 2025. It is to host the rural leaders of the Americas, guardians of food security and biodiversity. The climate change is a threat to our food security and energy preservation. We have to find different business strategy and financial structures and investment to protect food security and also to protect energy and resources for Mother Earth. The leaders of the rurality of Americas, we need courage, creativity, expertise, and resilience to build a new rurality to protect food security and the Mother Earth. International Budget Partnership. We partner globally to make budgets work for people. International Budget Partnership. Youth 360 on innovative financing for sustainable development. Innovative financing for sustainable development goals. The future of business. We have to apply innovations even in our finance and redefine the financial infrastructure of the world.